the derivative of x squared is 2x. Using the power rule, we find the derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivatives measure the rate of change of a function. The definition of a derivative is a limit of the difference quotient. For the function f of x equals x squared, the derivative is f, x equals 2x. The power rule is a shortcut for finding derivatives of power functions. If f of x equals x caret n, then f x equals n x caret n1. Using the power rule, the derivative of x squared is 2x. This is because n equals 2, so fx equals 2x caret 2 to 1 equals 2x. Derivatives have a geometric interpretation as the slope of a tangent line. The derivative of x squared at a point represents the slope of the tangent line to the graph at that point. For example, at x equals 1, the slope of the tangent line is f, 1, equals 2, 1, equals 2. In conclusion, the derivative of x squared is 2x, which can be found using the power rule. This result has important implications in calculus and is used extensively in optimization and physics problems.